Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 452. Before we begin, let's make note of the time. Just going to hit refresh here on Toronto, Ontario local time. It is now 12:14 a.m. the next day, Friday, March 4th. So we are about 14 minutes after Winnipeg would have sold, and we are ready to go. This would have ended March 3rd on eBay for one box of Series 1 21-22, and it is box 4 of 12. This is the fourth box. Boxes 5, 6, 7, and 8 go next week. They're already posted, so hope to see you guys in on that. The serial number you see there was listed in Arizona. It was the only team that wasn't bid on, so I was able to update that listing. So if you go to Arizona and go to the description, you'll see that serial number there. Also, we will show that serial number before we open up the box, so you know we're opening the box we intended to. But we will be going through the whole case, one box at a time. This happens to be box 4 of 12. For my regulars, please fast forward to the break. For the new guys, please hang out with me for a minute as we go over the rules. Okay, so let's pick on Bizik 1978. He's been with me forever. He's a great guy. He owns the Washington Capitals in this break. I'm going to open up this box. There's 24 packs. Each pack contains one hit. That is the card that gets mailed out. If there are any Washington Capital cards, I'm going to package it up and mail it to Bizik 1978 to his shipping address on eBay. Please make sure your shipping address is accurate and up to date, because that's what I use to ship. If he does have a package coming to him, he's going to be patient because COVID still slows things down here in Toronto, so it will take some time, but your cards will always arrive. Okay? Now, in the unfortunate event that there are no Washington Capital cards, I'm gonna mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing's going to be mailed to Bizik because there's nothing to mail. That's how box breaks work. I know he paid 50 cents for shipping, but that is a small collection from everybody to help with the amount of packaging, postage, and product that needs to go with Series 1. Let me know if you have any questions, and before we begin, I'm passing on the savings to you. If you have a package coming to you and you're in the market for graded card sleeves, team bags, or soft sleeves, these are your prices. Contact me at this email address here, and we will work out something, and I will include it in your package. All right, let's get to it. Email me with any questions you may have. 2829 Dan has the Pittsburgh Penguins. Bizik has the Capitals. Braca has the Panthers and the Canadiens. Chthonic has the Flames, the Blackhawks, the Stars, the Red Wings, the Edmonton Oilers, and the Wild. David Delacheveretier has the Sharks. D306 has the Blues and the Jets. Airlib33 has the Hurricanes, the Senators, the Vegas Golden Knights. Happy has the Lightning. Hockey MC has the Avalanche. Nuxoakman has the Ducks. Oscar has the Leafs and the Canucks. Cy has the Bruins. Skybwell has the Coyotes, the Sabres, the Devils, the Islanders, and the Philadelphia Flyers. And rounding us out, Super Pop Collectibles has the Jackets, the Kings, the Predators, and the Rangers. I had the Seattle already working in my workbook, but not available until, I guess, Series 2. All right, let's remember that serial number, 668815, as I bring you guys over to the webcam. And let's make sure we show that first and foremost. They put in a really weird spot this year. Wish it was bottom left, but it's hard to get the light in. I want better than that. There we go. 668815. As promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Again, $4.50, $4.50, $1.50 if you are interested. Okay, guys, that's what they look like. Brand new packages. I just get a deal on them, and I'm passing it on to you guys if you wish. Good luck. I want to make sure all systems go here. We are box 4. Let's hope for something great. First 3 boxes have been good. The insert has been decent in each box, but we are looking for heavier box or case hits. Each box has one special insert, so we consider that a case hit. We hit an exclusive. We hit a pink dazzler or magenta, and we hit a gold debut. Good luck. Last break of the week, and I'll ship out everything tomorrow. Our first hit is a Simon Benoit for your Anaheim Ducks. Thought it was the big guy. But congratulations to Anaheim getting us started with a Young Gun. Like I said, generally one hit per pack. The Canvas Young Gun or the French Young Gun do not count as a special insert. They just come randomly, but it's not the box hit. Here is a Hundo, which is a grinder. Matthew Tkachuk for your Calgary Flames. Rocking the old school jersey there. Here's a new insert, Nikolai Ehlers for your Winnipeg Jets. Electromagnetic. It's a new base insert. 1 or 2 per box, along with the Hundos. Here we have a portrait of Kevin Connor, also for your Winnipeg Jets. Kyle Connor. Funny pulling some of these base cards that were Young Guns last year. You get kind of excited. The exclusive that we hit was on Krill Kaprizov, but a base card. Too bad it was a year too late. Young Guns, not bad. Also for your Anaheim Ducks, Jamie Drysdale. Pretty good. Congratulations, Anaheim. We have a rookie retrospective, this time Gabe Vilardi for your LA Kings. Going to hit the cursor so we don't time out here. There it is, just harder to see. The French variant ends on Miles Wood, variant Francais for your New Jersey Devils. So not a Jean-Loup, but perhaps we get a Canvas Young Gun. The last box did contain a French Young Gun. The French variant comes 1 per box. And about half the time it lands on a Young Gun. Philip Gustafson, not bad for your Ottawa Senators. Congrats. Find that there's 3 or 4 goalies in this year's Young Gun crop that are gonna be pretty good. Let's hope they make an impact. I know the Leafs need one of them. I don't know why the Leafs never draft a goalie. The last goalie we drafted that was any good was Felix Potvin. We have a, speaking of goalies, we have a superstar honor roll. Not bad. Swayman. Jeremy Swayman. Is it Jeremy? I can't even see. Yeah. Congratulations to the Boston Bruins. That is your superstar. Not a bad insert to get, and not a bad goalie rookie. I like that there's that little variant of his rookie in Series 1. We have an Upper Deck canvas of Philip Grubauer for your Colorado Avalanche, rocking the old Quebec Nordique jersey. Now that was a jersey. Upper deck canvas, Steven Stamkos doing the handshake at the end of the series. I wonder if he knew then that he was going to win the cup again. Congratulations, Tampa Bay. They might three-peat. They just might. I'm not sure anybody's going to slow them down. We have a clear cut. I guess this is the case hit or the box hit for this box. Johnny Gaudreau for your Calgary Flames. It's nice when that lands on a young gun, but unfortunately it did not this time around. So hit the cursor. Nonetheless, nice little hit for Calgary. And we have a Joe Veleno, not bad as well, for your Detroit Red Wings. Congratulations to Detroit. Pretty good box. Sometimes the packs open so nicely, and sometimes they give you a tough time. Uh-oh. Oh, thought it was something a little more extravagant. But it's gold, so I'm not sure if this helps. Rookie retrospective of Mikey Anderson for your LA Kings. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's not numbered, but it is a different variant. So congrats to LA. Let's try the other side. There we go. That's a lot better. And we have another electromagnetic Alex DeBrincat for your Chicago Blackhawks. And again, guys, boxes 5, 6, 7, and 8 go next week. We have a debut dates of Kirill Kaprizov. Speak of the devil. Congratulations, Minnesota. Upper Deck Portraits, Robin Lehner for your Vegas Golden Knights. Nice picture of him. Young Guns, Wade Allison for your Philadelphia Flyers. Upper Deck Canvas, David Pasternak of your Boston Bruins. I must admit, the canvas cards are looking pretty fine. They did a good good job of getting these non-stock photos and, you know, rare shots. There's another 100% coming up. This time for your Calgary Flames, Milan Lucic. Congratulations, Calgary. Still got a few packs to go. Not sure where we are on the Young Gun count. And there's another Young Gun. Marian Studenik for your New Jersey Devils. Congratulations. And bear with me until the end of the break. I always go back to the workbook, show the last hit and who won it, and sign off with the time. Just to close out, there's our Dazzler. This time, Alex Ovechkin for your Washington Caps. Two more. We have another superstar honor roll, this time for your Winnipeg Jets, Kyle Connor. He's a big player and a good player. Last pack. Again, thanks everybody. Hope to see you guys next week. We end with a Upper Deck canvas of Mika Zibanejad for your New York Rangers. And there you have it. Let's get back to the screen and find the New York Rangers. The New York Rangers are, where are they? Oh, right here at the bottom. Super Pop Collectibles takes that last hit. And we will now sign off with the time. I hit refresh because it doesn't work when I'm not here. It is now exactly 12:30 a.m. here in Toronto. I want to thank everybody, and I'll get these out to you. Hope to see you guys next week.